Ma'am? You only had how many items? And a milk? Did you get that?
Not yet. It gave me a error thing.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Was needed for something.
There you go.
Yeah, I got from other notices as well, so. I don't mind the fee. Or I can go to the not anymore. I'm not doing it.
I wonder why they haven't pulled a permit
The
yet.
guy that he owns the Burger King, he owns a lot where they were talking about. He pulled out. He signed that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't forget the receipt, Daisy. Right here, man.
Check how much money this has left.
$0.03. You know what Barbara? Here you go.
Yeah, but I don't think
Here you go, man. Yeah, man.
always remember your mom. I'm done eating today.
You looking for that?
Jewelry Associates, can I have customer service to jewelry? Once again, customer service to jewelry. Thank you.
Turnovers?
Yeah.
Apple something?
Mhm.
Apple.
And
And? Apple.
apple fritter, I think.
Okay. No, they're not those. There
Here
you
you
go.
go.
There you go. Strudel apple. 2.
What number is that?
Okay.
89967.
59 a piece?
Mhm.
59 cents a piece.
Yeah.
No, it says 2 for 98. They're 59 cents a piece. These are 59 cents a piece.
Call for help.
Help.
Call for help.
No, no. He's here. No, he's here. Well, I got two because they're 59 cents a
Cancel
piece.
items. Cancel. Please wait for us. Item canceled. Call for help. Help is on the way. Call
He's
for
here.
help.
He's here. Hey, neighbor.
Hello, hello. How you doing?
Okay, okay. Just shopping for some stuff.
Oh,
Before
nice.
that storm hits. There's
Uh-huh.
a storm coming.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's dark outside.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
There you go.
thank you.
I'm supposed to come any time now.
Huh?
I'm supposed to be coming any time.
Any second. Oh, one more. I got one more. Enchilada sauce back there. Can you get it for me, please? Thank you. Feel my arm. Thank you.
Are you gonna need help out?
No, I'm fine. Oh, I got the water.
Yeah.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I got my medicine, so I feel like Wonder Woman. Anybody remember Omaha Big Hall?
I'm about to go and stop.
Check it.
On you. No. I am. They're all over me.
What, all the managers?
Except for me.
Well, except for you. Got all the higher ups, basically.
Sorry, man.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah. I'm gonna walk the floor. But I know as soon as I go on the toilet.
That's when you're gonna get called. As soon as you gotta use the, you're gonna be Keisha.
Yep.
Oh, Christina, there she is.
I think she's just gonna have you watch both of them.
Oh, turn off one of them. Christina,
That's well.
I let her know. She's about out. She's out.
You know,
She's out.
You woke up late. Or something. You're waking up at 7 in the morning today.
Customer assistant to fish. Customer assistant to fish. Thank you.
You have a good day.
where do I just?
Oh, my cheek.